Let's explore the use of Excel's SUMIFS function to summarize totals of our data meeting different criteria. Problem 3a asks us to calculate total revenue for each of the products listed in the product column of the exercise table. SUMIFS syntax is similar to that of COUNTIFS, but it asks us first for the range to calculate a sum of values from, and then it asks for criteria to apply when summing that range. Let's calculate the sum of revenue for each of the products in column Bravo of our table. We'll parameterize SUMIFS by first pointing it to the revenue column of the dataset, as we want it to sum revenue. Next, let's sum only for the product listed in column Bravo, or the current row of the product column of our exercise table. We'll point SUMIFS to the product column of the dataset, and then to the product column of our exercise table. Let's set it to work. We see that the exercise table autofills our formula down the column. Let's validate our calculation of total revenue for sales of pure soft detergent 100 milliliter in the dataset. Let's filter down for the pure soft detergent 100 milliliter product, then quickly calculate the sum of revenues by highlighting the resulting values in the revenue column of the dataset and checking the sum value in the status bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. We see that there were indeed $3,024 in revenue generated by sales of this product. The next part of the problem asks us to calculate total revenue for all sales where there were fewer than 100 units sold. We can use SUMIFS in a manner similar to the way we used COUNTIFS earlier in this module and pass it criteria as string parameters. We are still summing revenue, so let's point SUMIFS to the revenue column of our dataset as the sum range. Next, let's have it look at the quantity column of the dataset and, as the third parameter, find quantities less than 100 by typing less than 100 in quotes. Let's set SUMIF to work. We could validate the answer against the dataset by manually filtering it down using the numbers filter dropdown. If we did, we'd see that we generated $16,820 in revenues from all sales of fewer than 100 items. Now it's your turn to demonstrate your understanding of SUMIFS by completing problem 3b.